Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set who can see the people pages and the services that you follow on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below and then tap on settings at the top. Scroll down to audience and visibility and then click on the followers and public content button. Here you can tap on who can see the people pages and lists you follow. Tap on it. Here you have a bunch of options: public, so anyone can see it; friends, so only your friends on Facebook; friends except, so you can select certain people to whom you don't want to show your the list people or pages that you are following, or only me, so you can set it to private. Tap on the relevant one and then it will be saved automatically. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.